Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your iPhone read text message out loud. To make your iPhone read text message out loud, click on Use the Speak Selection feature or Siri. Here's how to enable and use both options. Option 1 is to use Siri to read text message. Siri can read your incoming text message aloud, especially when you're using headphones or connected to a Bluetooth device. Now, to ensure Siri is enabled, go to the Settings, Siri and Search. Make sure Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. Next option, go to the Accessibility, Spoken Content. Make sure the Speak selection is enabled. Then make sure Highlight Content is on. Now, let us go to Messages. Then, hold on to a message. Then tap on Speak. By following these steps, you can have your iPhone read text message out loud, either using Siri or the accessibility features. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.